Hello, this is Agalin again, and we will be discussing about biochemistry of enzymes and vitamins. In this discussion, we will be answering questions that will make our understanding clearer. So, what is enzymes? What is vitamins? What is the characteristics of enzymes and vitamins in biochemistry? What are the functions of enzymes and vitamins? What are the 7 types of enzymes and what are the example of vitamins? What are its classification and the molecular structure? Without further ado, let's go on to the discussion. What is enzymes? Enzymes are proteins comprised of amino acids linked together in one or more polypeptide chains. This sequence of amino acids in polypeptide chain is called the primary structure. This in turn determines the three-dimensional structure of the enzyme, including the shape of the active site. Meanwhile, vitamins are vital micronutrients that cannot be synthesized endogenously or in insufficient amounts, and the principal means by which we get vitamins is through our diet. Vitamins can classify as water soluble or fat soluble. Did you know? Every day trillions upon trillions of chemical reactions occur in our body to make essential metabolic processes occur. Enzymes are proteins that act upon substrate molecules and decrease the activation energy necessary for a chemical reaction to occur by stabilizing the transition state. This stabilization speeds up reaction rates and makes them happen at psychologically significant rates. Enzymes bind substrates at key locations in their structure called active sites. They are typically highly specific and only bind certain substrates for certain reactions. Without enzymes, most metabolic reactions would take much longer and would not be fast enough to sustain life. What is the characteristic of enzymes in biochemistry? How about vitamins? First, enzymes. Characteristic of an enzyme. 1. Speed up chemical reactions. 2. They are required in minute amounts. 3. They are highly specific in their action. 4. They are affected by temperature. 5. They are affected by some temperature. 6. Some catalyze reversible reactions. 7. Some require coenzymes. They are inhibited by inhibitors. Also, vitamins are grouped together according to the following general biological characteristics. Number 1. Vitamins are not synthesized by the body and must come from food. An exception are vitamins B3, which active form can be synthesized from tryptophan, and vitamins D3, synthesized from 7-dehydrocholesterol in the skin. Amount of these ones and vitamins partially synthesized by intestinal microflora, B2, B3, B5, B6, K, and others is normally not sufficient to cover the body's need them. Number 2. Vitamins are not plastic material. Exception is vitamin F. 3. Vitamins are not an energy source. Exception is vitamin F. Number 4. Vitamins are essential for all vital processes and biologically active already in small quantities. 5. They are influenced by chemical processes in all tissues and organs, etc. They are not specific to organs. They do this bringing the reactants together so that the reactant don't have to waste energy moving till they collide at random. The enzyme then binds both the substrates together tightly at the active site. The enzymes also position the substrates correctly so that they don't have to overcome intermolecular forces. The enzyme can also allow the reaction to happen by alternate pathways that have reduced activation energy. The other important functions of enzymes are listed below. 1. Single transduction. Single transduction is the process of transmitting a chemical or physical signal through a cell as a series of molecular events leading to a cellular response. Enzymes that participate in signal transduction are protein kinases, which catalyze protein phosphorylation. Number 2. Macromolecules degradation. Macromolecules are broken down by enzymes into monomers, which can be absorbed by the human body. The processes of breaking down of macromolecules like sugar, proteins, and fat is called catabolism. Some of the enzymes that are used in catabolism are amylase and protease. Number 1. Vitamins are not synthesized by the body and must come from food. An exception are vitamins B3, which active form can be synthesized from tryptophan, and vitamins D3, synthesized from 7-dehydrocholesterol in the skin. Amount of these ones and vitamins partially synthesized by intestinal microflora. B2, B3, B5, B6, K, and others is normally not sufficient to cover the body's need them. Number 2. Vitamins are not plastic material. Exception is vitamin F. 3. Vitamins are not an energy source. Exception is vitamin F. Number 4. Vitamins are essential for all vital processes and biologically active already in small quantities. 5. They are influenced by chemical processes in all tissues and organs, etc. They are not specific to organs. Vitamins are organic molecules that function in a wide variety of capacities within the body. The most prominent function is as cofactors for enzymatic reactions. The distinguishing feature of the vitamin is that they generally cannot be synthesized by mammalian cells and therefore must be supplied in the diet. Note that knowledge about enzymes and vitamins is essential in medicine for diagnosing many diseases. We end it here. See you soon. Godspeed.